In today's video, I'm going to teach you Google Sites versus Canva 2026. Which one is better? Let's make this simple and clear. We're comparing two popular tools that often get mentioned together, but they actually solve different problems. By the end, you'll know exactly what each one is designed for and how to think about choosing the right tool for your project. First up, Google Sites. Think of this as a straightforward website builder for creating simple, collaborative websites. It's ideal when you need a clean, functional site without getting bogged down by code or complex settings. You can lay out pages with sections, add text, images, and embedded content, and publish quickly. The real strength is collaboration. Multiple people can work on the same site, see updates instantly, and control who can view or edit using familiar sharing settings. This makes it great for team hubs, class pages, project documentation, lightweight intranets, or event info sites. It's not trying to be a full-fledged, highly customizable web platform. Instead, it shines when speed, clarity, and teamwork are your priorities. If your goal is to organize information and make it accessible on a simple site, Google Sites covers that with minimal friction. Now, Canva. This is a graphic design tool that offers a wide range of templates for creating visually appealing content, including presentations and much more. Canva is built for design-first work. Think slides, social posts, infographics, posters, headers, and banners. It gives you drag-and-drop editing, polished typography, icons, photos, and animations, so you can turn ideas into professional-looking visuals without needing advanced design skills. Collaboration is also supported here. You can co-edit designs, keep brand elements consistent, and export in formats suited for web, print, or video. If your priority is eye-catching visuals, especially decks, marketing materials, and graphics that tell a story, Canva is purpose-built for that. So, which one is better? It depends on your goal. If you need a simple website where information lives and teams can contribute, Google Sites is the better fit. If you need polished designs, presentations, graphics, or any content that has to look great, Canva takes the lead. In many cases, they actually complement each other. Create stunning visuals in Canva, then place them into a Google site to present them in a structured, shareable way. Use each tool for what it does best, and you'll save time while raising the quality of your work.